So I'm out on a ride again at night from my workplace. It's not raining today. By the way, the rainy season's not over yet. It's September and yet there's rain going on. So yeah, it's going to be fun, this ride. That's me. What's up? So yeah, I have my helmet, lights, as you can see, front lights blinking, rear lights too blinking. And what do you think about that car brand over there? Yeah? Lit up. It's 2 a.m. you can see, and still a lot of cars on the road at Malad Link Road. So one thing is for certain, you have to be aware of your surroundings while riding. I'm right now on Linking Road, so it's not as dangerous as the highway. So yeah, be aware of the people around you. Stay safe. Check out, these guys are still in the queue for fueling up. And yeah, bikers, CNG pump is open at night. You can see I'm riding on. Oh, there's a mall here right beside a metro station. Which mall is this now? Check that out. Which mall? Tell me. And Lower Malad station, by the way. So yeah, I was just wondering, what if everybody would ride their bicycles at night instead of early mornings? Wouldn't be it safer for everybody? Think about it. Let me know. Because, you know, this is Mumbai. It's a cosmopolitan city. And it's safe. There's lights on the roads. There's a lot of vehicle movements. I mean, like, incidents can happen anytime during the day. It's on your luck, or you know, whatever it is, it's our responsibility more than the drivers on the road. I mean, they have their responsibilities which they have to take care of, yeah, but predominantly we have to take care of ourselves while we are riding individually as cyclists, each one of us. Yeah, if you're in a group ride, you will get help if something happens to you by the other people riding with you. But yeah, while you are riding, you are responsible for your protection and safety. Always remember that. Just as you wear your seat belts while you're driving your car, you have to wear your helmet while cycling. You have to have your lights on always. day or night, whenever, preferably brighter clothings, so you're more visible to everybody. And the most important, while you're riding, see this guy riding opposite direction. So yeah, you have to be predictable. Being predictable is important. No sudden movements while you are riding. If you want to turn, indicate, make it a habit, as well as make it compulsory that you inform the other riders or drivers behind you and in the side of you that you want to turn. You can't just go and turn suddenly. No, that's not the way. You have to pre-plan it, whether you are on a bike or car or a cycle, or even while you're crossing the road on foot. You have to pre-plan your moves, right? So yeah, same way with cycling. Always make your intentions clear for everybody. Oi! I said just take care. Yeah. Wear your helmet. So yeah, so you can see people are riding. So these guys are playing dandiya, and लोग डांडिया खेलने के बाद बिना हेलमेट का घूम रहे. So yeah, I was talking about predictability. Be predictable always while riding. Stay safe, because yeah, it's your responsibility to be safe and to make clear decisions when you want to turn, when not. If you want to turn left, be on the left of the road. If you want to turn right, be on the right of the road. But when you do so, check your surroundings and then go for those moves on the right or on the left. Clear? So yeah, stay safe, ride safe, day or night. It's your responsibility, nobody else. So yeah, enjoy.